Good afternoon everyone, Michael here from Car Crazy again. Right, just showing you one of my latest mods to my car. As you can see, there's quite a few boxes in there. There's also this is a fridge and heater. We bought it a few months ago. I hadn't put it in the car yet, so I've done that now. But yeah, on here, I don't know if you see the switch. You can't see the switches there, but there's actually let's have a look. Can we get into there? There's a switch here. Oh, where is it? There, in there. Right, if I can take this out actually. Not come out of here. Just a moment, I'll show you. There you go. There's a switch here. You can have that for hot or cold. You just flick it either way, or have it off, and yeah, so you can keep things hot or you can keep things cold. I'll keep things cold down to -15. Or things hot up to +60, so you know, that's quite handy. And I made this shelf, this little shelf thing that fit in there, and it's got a ridge there, so I can't go that way, and it's got like a padding in here, so it can't, you know, it can't shake around, it can't go anywhere. And then I've got these boxes to put the various bits and pieces in. I haven't got that much in yet. This one has though. This one. I have a lot of camera gear. That's why that would come up here, do some photography in a minute. That's why I've got this in here. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see there's all my camera gear in there. So yeah, so I've got that there, and I've got these different boxes. I can move them about where I want, take them out easy. When I go skiing, I put my skis down in the middle here. I just drop that middle piece of the seat, because that piece alone can drop down. I can chuck my skis in there, and so you know, I can just take this out, put it on top here, and these move like that. And they fit in. They latch in here like that. So where I want really, up there, you know, wherever I want it, like that. That just slide out like that. Oh, I've got little pads here I put on. That's it. Like that. They just slide out there, so I can actually get 3 of these in here, like in boxes. So yeah, so I've just done that. I don't think I'm going to put a shelf on. I had to make it into like a cabinet type style. I forgot I got them on there, I knocked them off. I have them on that just so that don't rattle around like that. That's it, like that. Yeah, so I thought about having like a, you know, like a shelf or drawers or something, but I don't think I need it, so I'm going to try it like this. If I think that's a bit inconvenient or something, then maybe I'll make like a, you know, like a shelf system or drawers where I can just pull these out. You know, they're sort of stacked above each other. There's a gap, so I can just slide them out like that. But I mean, they're easy enough to move, and the heavy stuff will be at the bottom. Now this one here, just have little tools and bits. I think what's this guy in here? I've got the bits like from a ski, you know, like the wax and, you know, bits from my skis, and we'll be going skiing soon, and whatnot, and the baskets for my stocks, for the snow and whatnot, that sort of thing in there. And in here I've got various. I've got like I've got gloves, coats, you know, pump, tyre pump, emergency light down in here. Also got actually a spade, got a handle that just latches in there for the snow, scoop the snow in case it gets, you know, any really deep snow. So I've got all that sort of kind of emergency bits, like a warm blanket thing, that sort of thing in there. So that stays at the bottom. Basically, don't open it unless I need to. That one's got nothing in it yet, but will have. But yeah, so I've got that. I'll have to stick them on a bit better, I think, can't I? They keep coming off them ones as I drag this down. Forget about that. I'll get used to it eventually. But yeah, it all fits in there nicely like that. They fit in easy. There's no problem to put them in. like that. I may even get one more box. I can put one more in if I want. If I put one more in here and put these little ones on there, I can still see out the backs if need be. And but yeah, and here I've got my tripod and the pole and whatnot. And they just fit under there. Well, that's just a little wooden. It's actually made of wood. It's a wooden frame. I just painted it black. So I thought that's better just to simply paint it rather than put like the black carpet stuff on, like I did for our beds that would go in here. The only trouble is that pick up all the dust and dog hairs and everything. So I thought the painted thing is a lot easier. I can just brush it and you know, if it get marked up and just give it a lick of paint now and again. So yeah, it's just another little modder done. I have them now. It's a lot easier because until now, when I'm out and about weekends, I bring my camera gear with me. That's pretty much in my car all the time when I go out. I don't leave it in the car overnight, of course, but when I go out, and I end up, you know, bits in and other bits and pieces, and it's all just a disorganised mess. So I thought, sod that, I'll get some boxes or something, and so I'm trying this method first and see how I get on. But yeah, this little fridge thing, it's like that. But yeah, that will do hot and cold, which is handy. So this time of year we want to keep things hot, drinks or like whatever food and that we can, and in summer we can keep it cold. That's plugged in all the time there. It's permanently plugged in. I just switch it on when I want it. So but yeah, I also got this. I had this before. I put that in and it's good. So if I unload or load things, that protect the bumper then. Oh, that has got the comes with the bumper protector anyway, but still, and it's easy to brush off. It's that, like, I don't know what you call it, plasticky type, you know, this like that. It's ever so easy just to brush it off. It can come out. It just clips up on them seats here, there and there, and the headrest there. So again, if I want to, but that seat, I can drop that seat down without even having to do anything with this if I want. So that's easy enough. But yeah, so I've got that, and but yeah, my ski boots will fit in here. I've tried out, so I've got two sets of skis and boots, and if it's crappy conditions, I'll use my old gear. If it's good conditions, I use my new gear. So, but so yeah, I use this, and I can get, well, not that one. That'll be that one. So it's empty. I can get two sets of boots in there, and you know, all my other bits and pieces, helmet and that. So but yeah, I might get one more box if I think I need. So I'm trying that now and see how I get on. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, and then you'll know when I do uploads. I normally upload roughly once a week or so, or once every other week, depends on, you know, what I've got. But yeah, just waiting for snow now. We had some early snow in November, that disappeared, and as you can see, look, today it's a beautiful sunny day. Yesterday was cloudy and icy rain falling, and that was freezing cold. Today's quite warm. I think it's like 11 degrees, so it's really warm today. But it's all right having this weather, this nice weather, but the problem is I can't go skiing. There isn't any snow, so as soon as I get some decent snow, I'll go skiing and take this out for a drive in the snow. But yeah, anyone who's been following me will probably know, last year I bought this, and last winter we had sod all snow just once. I didn't get a chance to really drive in anything, you know, worthwhile. But anyway, we shall see. Hopefully we'll get some snow sometime soon, and if I do, I'll do a video on that. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll be back again soon. Bye.